Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelly one more time again. Today I'm here to show you this very easy rice recipe that you enjoy all the time. You just cook it, throw it in your fridge. You can enjoy it with any kind of topping. You can enjoy it with a basic shito, which we call a basic fion, with sardine and like green pepper, whatever pepper you have. You can enjoy it with any kind of topping: sardine, grilled chicken, fried chicken, something simple that you come back from work at home, there's nothing to, you are tired, very tired, to go into your kitchen and fix something. Open your fridge, you grab your rice, put some topping on it, there you go. So without too much talking or fooling around, let us go. Let me show you the right ingredients for this recipe. So here I have my vermicelli macaroni here. I hope you all know this macaroni. We usually cook it for our baby when they start eating around 6 months. I love it. So, and I have my rice already washed here. I use basmati rice. That's what I use all the time in my house. So you can use whatever rice you have, that will be okay. So I have some chopped onion, sliced onion here, some salt, and my oil. Fry my oil and let it warm up a little bit, and I will add my onion next. So I'll just leave this onion fry a little bit, and I will go ahead, I will stir fry it a little bit, and I will go ahead and add my vermicelle. But for the onion, you will fry it until it will caramelize, because I want the taste, the sweetness of the onion to be infused into my rice. So I will let it caramelize with the my macaroni, my vermicelli. Okay. So now at this point, I'll go ahead and add my vermicelli. So with this, I will let both of them caramelize, get like brown. So let it, I will just stir fry both of them together and let the onion infuse the taste into this vermicelli very much, and then I'll proceed with the rice. Okay. So guys, now as you can see, some part are getting brown already. So you just make sure you don't stop stirring it at this point, otherwise some part will be burnt when the other part will not be like caramelized as you want it. So you just make sure to stir it continuously until it gets all brown and uniform. Now my next step will be the addition of the rice. The rice is already water to it. So now I'm adding some water. You can add warm water or just regular tap water to it. That's more. And the next thing will be my salt. Okay. So now guys, as you can see, the color is kind of brownish because of the caramelized onion and the vermicelli. Some of the onion tend to be like burnt, but it's fine, it's okay, it's perfectly fine. And the next thing I will do, I'll just go ahead and cover the rice and let it to simmer for about 20 minutes. But between that time, I'll come and check on it. If it needs to be covered with maybe some parchment paper, I will do so. Okay. So now I'm back after 10 minutes to check on my rice, and the smell is so good. The smell is so good, so inviting, guys. So I will go ahead and cover this for the next 10 minutes, and that will be all done. Tasting is so perfect. Right is cooked. My rice is done, beautifully cooked. So this is it, guys. My macaroni rice is ready. We call it riz cantonné. Mon riz cantonné est prêt, mes amis. Venez, on va se régaler. Merci. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much. If you are here and you love what you are seeing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I get a new video uploaded. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed. Bye bye. Love you.